I am Lata Roslin. I am working as a secondary grade teacher in the school. Our school is Panchayat Union Primary School. In this year, in this academic year, we are implementing the QR code uniform. Through this QR code, even the children missing. If the children are missing, we have to find. It is very useful to find the children where they are studying and which class they are studying. We are updating with the technology in future. What's his name and their parents' address. We are trying with the technology in future. Then our HM is very helpful to us. She approaches so many sponsors and get the facility, all the facility to fulfill our wishes. What are the needs to the schools and the staff. She is a very kind-hearted person. With the QR code address, we have the smart class in our school. Each and every classes have the smart TV. It is very helpful to teach the lesson to the children. Now what is the training? We get the training and implement the training. Ennum Ezhuthum training we are implementing in the classrooms. So in this smart TV, very helpful to teach the children effectively. So many classes we have. I was working 25 years before come to school here. Now I came here 4 years back. So my own interest, I can speak in English to teach the children in English. It is very helpful. So our HM is a very dedicated person in the school. Okay.